Today's feature showcases some truly astonishing displays of skill and coordination between heavy machinery and their operators. The synergy between bulldozers, excavators, and the people at the controls shows us just how far human ingenuity and mechanical power can go. Some moments feel so incredible, they almost seem unreal. Let's dive in. The raw strength of these machines is both impressive and a little intimidating. In one scenario, an excavator finds itself buried nose first in a deep, muddy sinkhole. Stranded in a low-lying, swampy patch, it becomes clear how quickly things can go wrong when terrain turns against you. Watching the recovery is oddly satisfying, like watching a trapped animal being freed. These kinds of environments don't allow for even the smallest error, yet they make for some of the most unforgettable recoveries you'll ever see. Then there are the sequences where excavators and bulldozers work in harmony, their movements carefully timed and purposeful. It's not just about raw force, every motion reflects experience, precision, and planning. This kind of cooperation reminds us that behind every successful machine maneuver is a skilled individual making it happen. Without them, the most powerful equipment means very little. In the biting cold of remote Russian winters, creativity becomes a necessity. A Cat D7 dozer hauls a truck transporting a modular substation through thick snow and ice. It's a brutal environment, but the operation moves ahead with steady determination. Underwater excavator work might sound like something from a sci-fi novel, yet here it is, an excavator submerged and digging like it was built for the job. It's surreal, like watching a submarine outfitted with a bucket. This kind of innovation surprises even seasoned operators. Sometimes the day brings unexpected challenges. A stolen tractor ends up miles away, stuck deep in mud. The rescue team arrives and it's clear they've done this before. Their composed and methodical approach to the retrieval speaks volumes about their experience and adaptability. Logging operations, often misunderstood, involve much more than cutting down trees. In wet, uneven terrain, machines must move in tandem with incredible precision. Watching a skidder and bulldozer work together to position a loader is both tense and captivating. These tasks highlight how unpredictable nature can be, even with the best machines on your side. Then there's the D8 Dozer. A powerhouse of engineering, it's capable of transforming entire landscapes. It's been instrumental in creating farmland from forested areas, yet this power comes with consequences. Footage of its work provokes reflection. How do we advance without compromising the environment we depend on? Over in the Czech Republic, a more subtle but equally important task unfolds. An excavator steadily pulls 12-inch steel pipes from under a road as part of a stormwater infrastructure upgrade. It's not flashy, but these are the kinds of quiet, essential jobs that keep cities functioning. A shaky clip from 2009 reveals the immense crawler track of a brown coal spreader shifting between mines in Germany. The scale is hard to fathom. Transporting something this size requires mind-boggling logistics and planning. Sometimes, it's a battle between machine and terrain. A fuel truck stuck in deep mud calls in two Soviet-era Corvettes tractors for help. Despite their age, these machines remain reliable workhorses. Watching them in action proves that sometimes, simple engineering is the most dependable. Old-school crawlers continue to impress. In one clip, a machine battles its way through waterlogged terrain, its treads just barely gripping enough to keep moving. It's a testament to the lasting value of robust, no-frills design. Success in this field often lies in the smallest adjustments, reading traction changes, modulating throttle, and fine-tuning blade height. These subtleties, invisible to the untrained eye, reflect years of training and field experience. Demolition scenes can be dramatic. A house collapses with startling speed under the force of heavy machinery. While the footage is compelling, it's a reminder of the power these machines wield and the caution required when operating them up close. On the more refined end of the spectrum, an excavator equipped with a saw-quip attachment slices cleanly through hardwood. This turns the machine into a firewood processor while keeping the operator at a safe distance, a clever and efficient solution that blends safety with productivity. In another moment of recovery, a damaged excavator track is painstakingly reset on a Cobaltco SK380 HD. It's a behind-the-scenes look at the mechanics most people never witness, yet it's crucial for getting machines back in action. Bridge construction in Sweden employs the country's largest dredger, driven by a V12 Cummins engine. Though its pace is slow, about 1 scoop per minute, it's designed for surgical precision, not speed. Its measured operation is a reminder that not all progress happens quickly. In the high-intensity world of mining, coordination is everything. A Bucyrus RH-12E excavator, TX haul trucks, and Caterpillar dozers move in seamless rhythm. Each unit plays its role in this orchestrated dance of earth-moving power. In agriculture, even robust machines like the K71 grapple with soft, soggy fields. It's a familiar struggle for many farmers and construction crews. Sometimes nature simply doesn't cooperate. Innovation is driving change across industries. The SBB's use of conveyor-equipped Mercedes trucks and specially designed excavators shows how rethinking old processes can result in massive gains. Efficiency and precision are becoming the new standard. The mechanical sounds of bulldozers and scrapers at work, deep, rhythmic, and almost meditative, define the heartbeat of infrastructure projects. One pushes through while the other scrapes and levels behind, each playing its role in transforming rugged terrain into something usable. A particularly steep slope, 70% grade, tests the limits of the SHA Track's HR32. It climbs slowly and deliberately, each track gaining purchase as the operator maintains balance. Suggestions from viewers include using the blade for added support. What would you do in that situation? Rural road construction scenes highlight the practical side of heavy machinery. These operators aren't just moving dirt. They're connecting towns, opening trade routes, and bringing remote communities into the fold. Mistakes still happen. In one clip, an excavator misjudges and tumbles into the very trench it was digging. It's a humbling moment that shows how even seasoned professionals can be caught off guard. A recovery sequence stands out for its precision. Instead of yanking a stuck truck out recklessly, the crew first levels the ground, showing respect for the process and a commitment to doing things the right way. On a highway near Guari Toll Plaza, progress takes form as groundwork is laid for expansion. The debate over concrete versus asphalt continues, but what's undeniable is the value of steady infrastructure growth. A vintage T130 dozer, freshly repaired, roars back to life. Though it groans and sputters at first, it proves that even old machines have more to offer when maintained well. At a quarry, a minor rock slide suddenly challenges both an excavator and a dump truck. It's a reminder of the unpredictable nature of working with Earth. Geological shifts can change everything in an instant. In a rare sequence captured on old VHS tape from 1996, a Cat D6H dozer tackles the frozen northern landscape. No polish, no effects, just raw effort and the kind of perseverance that build roads and livelihoods. Before plantations can take root, land needs to be prepared. A massive chopper roller takes on dense, wild vegetation, using its sheer weight and force to create conditions suitable for planting. Port accidents are rare but impactful. A dramatic crane collapse at Boom Caser underscores how even small imbalances or structural flaws can lead to catastrophic outcomes. It's a sharp reminder of the importance of maintenance and engineering accuracy. In isolated areas like the Tyne Peninsula, weather becomes the biggest obstacle. One resilient village bulldozer keeps pushing through, carving just enough space for essential travel. These conditions are a daily battle against nature. Through it all, rescue missions, demolition jobs, precisa.
Sure.